Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to clear Discord cache. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to quiet your Discord app and open search bar and type here run and click on run. And now here you have to give a % and type appdata and again give a % and click on OK. And from here find Discord. Once you get it, open this Discord folder and from here select cache and code cache, GPU cache. Select these 3 folder and click on delete. So this was how we can delete cache on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.